Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Annalise, and in this video I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair with the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Here are the items I used: a white tooth comb, some heat protectant. This one smells like watermelon, I love it. I previously washed my hair and braided it into 4 sections in the shower while rinsing out the conditioner, and I let my hair dry completely before starting to blow dry it. I find it easier this way than blow drying my hair while it's still being wet, because it will take more time and effort, and the braiding allows my hair to get stretched out as well, so less time using the blow dryer and heat on it. And yes, I'm just going to start with a small section of the braid, pour a little bit of the heat protectant and put it through my hair. And then I'm gonna use it on the last setting and start blow drying it. I really enjoyed using that brush because in comparison to the previous brush I was using, it's way more comfortable to use. My arm doesn't feel all tired and achy at the end. So yeah, I like to go through it a couple times, and when I get to my ends, I go slowly like so. And then onto the next section. So I detangle with my white tooth comb, and then I put a bit of the heat protectant and then blow dry. So I'm going to do that for all the sections, and yeah, just enjoy the process while I brush it out. And then I twist my hair and put it away so it can stay like sleek in a way. And then the front sections. One thing about the brush I've noticed is that it can get quite hot, especially at the top of the brush if you use it for a long time. So I let it sit to cool off in between each sections. And also you can't really get that close to the roots, but if you stretch your hair using the braiding method like I did, or another stretching technique, it should be fine. Your hair should be sort of stretched anyways at the root, but yeah, just something to keep in mind. That was the last section, and then I'm just gonna brush through again one last time. And this is a final result, ready for your hair to be styled. I like to wear my hair like this, or you can also straighten your hair after this. But yeah, it's quite easy to use, and I would say quite quick, like, because I have a lot of hair, it still takes me a bit of time, but compared to the previous brush I had, this is way faster. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!